After installing the Reviver, will the performance of the battery really increase? Will the battery usage time really increase? Will the driving distance really increase? After installing Reviver onto forklifts of Company A, the electrolyte-specific gravity increased to almost 1.3, which is comparable to a new battery. Reviver's micropulses ionize lead sulfate on the electrode plates, resulting in the electrolyte-specific gravity increase. So, if the specific gravity increases, does the usage time also increase? In the first battery, when the specific gravity increased by about 0.02, the battery usage time increased by about 60 minutes. Additionally, in the second battery, which initially had a lower specific gravity, it increased by 0.05, and the usage time increased by 115 minutes, showing a greater improvement than the first battery. The overall performance of the lead-acid battery tends to converge with the performance of the weakest cell. Reviver improves cell imbalance by boosting the weakest cell's performance. When testing on forklift batteries and measuring changes in specific gravity across three groups, Group C, with the lowest initial specific gravity, showed the largest improvement after installing Reviver. For golf carts and floor scrubbers, battery performance can be measured by the driving distance. In the case of Company E, their battery could only run about half the distance compared to when it was new. However, just 2 weeks after installation, the driving distance increased by about 10 kilometers and is expected to continue to increase. This shows that the Reviver installation greatly increased the driving distance of the battery. So we have answered the question of whether installing Reviver can increase performance, usage time, and driving distance through several field test results. Have all your doubts been resolved? The practical results are the clearest evidence of the effectiveness of Reviver in improving the performance and extending the lifespan of lead batteries.
How to use lead-acid batteries longer. Reviver is the answer. Why replace? Let's Reviver.